Hi, I'm Beth, and I'm here at Advanced Metal Fab in Prescott, Arizona, and this is where American Metal is filmed, and we have so many follows already. We have 6,000, and I wanted you guys, you fans, to see who is part of American Metal and what the shop is like. So, we're gonna go behind the scenes, come with me right now, and we're gonna go meet everyone. Come on. Here, down the hall, let's go. This way. Hey guys! So I want you to meet my friend. This is Wayne. Come on over, Wayne.
How are you?
Okay, Wayne is the guy that works on the Humvee on the show. So the awesome Humvee that you're all so excited to see. Okay, Wayne, tell us a little bit about what you're doing today.
Well, our main thing that we got going on this side is this is our new intake pipe. Basically cut it up and made our own pipe, and then we'll take it back to our welder bin and make it work.
Right. Thanks, Wayne. Okay, we'll see more of him later, but let's see who else is around the corner. Okay, this right here is Keith. Keith, say hi to everybody.
Hey, how you doing?
So, Keith, tell everybody what you're working on today.
Right now we're installing the dual HVAC systems, front and rear AC. Basically, I fabricate everything from scratch, make our own hoses, make everything, and good times.
So make it from scratch, and he said
HVAC.
HVAC. And who doesn't love air conditioning? Like, these bad boys are gonna have air conditioning.
Oh.
Like, who doesn't love that? I love that. Okay, let's see what's going on down here. Okay, let's see this. What's up? What's happening over here?
Nothing much.
Okay, you have to introduce yourself to all of our fans. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm Jacob.
Hey Jacob, what do you do here in the shop?
I run the laser.
Okay, what does that mean? What do you do?
I nest programs and send it over to the laser and make sure it's cutting good. And then I sort after I've cut it.
Okay, so it's laser cut. That's important to know. So here at the shop, we do things right. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So the shop is big, but I want you guys to meet some more friends here. Okay, this is my next friend.
Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Hi, I'm Conrad.
Hi, Conrad. Okay, so tell our fans a little bit about what you do here in the shop.
Well, I'm kind of the unofficial press brake guy. This is a press brake. It's a bending machine. We can make precision parts, kind of like what I'm working on right now. This one's going to get a second flange right here. And we can make anything small. We can make big parts, basically whatever a customer orders.
Nice. And perfect and exact every single time.
That's right.
I love it. Okay.
I love it too.
We'll see more of Conrad. He's awesome. Okay, come meet this guy and what he does. Hi.
Hello.
Come tell America who you are.
Dan.
Dan, did you hear that? This is Dan. Dan is working on
Press brake,
the press brake.
bending up stainless steel shelving.
So, okay, he's gonna do one for us, okay? We're gonna watch him bend this. Here's our flat metal.
And that's it bent up.
Nice, so he's doing shelving. Okay, how many of these are you gonna make today?
300.
Just 300, you know, that's all.
Done in
Right,
an hour.
you do good work.
Thank you.
We'll see you later.
Good one.
Let's go this way. I think this is Ben. Let's check. Ben! This is Ben, and he's the lead welder. And today, what are you working on, Ben?
Oh, we're working on a big old stainless steel shelving unit.
A stainless steel shelving unit. You know, doesn't everyone do that every day? Nice. Okay, we'll see you later. Have fun. All right, let's move on. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Frank.
Yay, Frank.
Hello. Now what?
Can you tell our fans what you do?
I'm a machinist, and I'm the lead machinist here at Advanced Metal Fabricating. And all of these machines, I pretty much write 90% of the programs often, unless someone else is in here to run them for me.
So how long have you been doing this?
Machining? About
Yeah.
15 years.
15 years?
15 years, yeah.
What are you working on today?
Today I am making, these are anti-fade nut for a certain quad, and I'm making these guys, and they will go on a hub that we'll make later. It's threaded in here. Woo! See the threads? Woo! It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing.
It is beautiful. Metal is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
All right,
Now what?
now you're gonna sing for us.
I'm gonna sing for you.
Everyone says that Frank can sing. I haven't heard him sing, so
Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you when you're young at heart. Look at this. When I get a song stuck in my head, I go print off lyrics and I throw them on there. So I don't drive myself nuts. There's some over there too. There's some in my toolbox.
so
They're
there's
everywhere. I don't just mess around though. I'm a serious person. I do serious work. I hold tight tolerances.
thanks Frank for being you.
All
All right, let's go.
I heard Conrad got a high five.
Oh, okay, here.
Oh wait.
Come on. Oh, you got it.
There you have it. Woo!
I think there's one more guy I want you to do. There we go. I'm looking for Jesse. Jesse's got to be here somewhere. Jesse! Where is he? I don't know where he is. There he is. There's my guy. Hey, Jesse. I want you guys to meet Jesse. This is Jesse. Tell him what you do. Tell our fans.
I run the shop.
Jesse runs the shop, so he's not just anybody.
You come out here, I'm the boss.
Yeah? All right. Well, now that you've met everybody, we're going to be doing this post, this live feed, once a week. And it's going to be so much fun. Help me name this show. We need a name for it. Everyone chime in and let me know and meet me back here next week. Okay, bye guys.